Beautiful. Foxtrot for uniform, a Juliet uniform, Mr. Gary from France. Yeah, you're sitting next to me. I can offer you a cup of tea, cup of coffee. It's like armchair. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Beautiful modulation. I'm using the microphone, the HM219. Let me just make sure, the hand microphone, just make sure. HM219, yeah, HM219. The microphone that I buy the radio from, you know, same. But you're using something else. It's not the same than the HM219. What microphone are you using there, Gary? Foxtrot 4 United, Juliet United, Zulu Sierra 6 Tango Italy Mike, right? Okay, thank you very much for the report there, Gary. Foxtrot 4 United, Juliet United, Zulu Sierra 6 Tango Italy Mike. I must tell you that your combination with the microphone and the equalizer, it's like gold. Fantastic. Everything. The bass is there, treble, nice and sharp. I love it. Very beautiful. You really sounds good. Don't touch anything, Don't touch that modulation. But you must enjoy your day, and maybe some other stations in South Africa will wake you up now. Maybe they're gonna call you. Okay, but Gary, don't touch that modulation. You sounds beautiful, man. Foxtrot 4 United, Juliet United. This is Zulu Sierra 6 Tango Italy Mike near Pretoria, South Africa. We're going to be QRT and enjoy it there, Gary. Go ahead.